bata. Talagang wala pa rin po talaga natin. Hindi pa rin pwede ba?
Oo. Ito, last question na again, Attorney Morton. Para malaman naman nila na hindi lang kayo inlagay dyan. Kumbaga, pero yung matagal, not too many people know that you have a passion for billiards. Just to give a little background, that's why eventually nung sabi ka, when the time came calling for a new billiards president, willing kayong tumayo. Sabi ko, tumayo na ako. Just a little background po, your passion for pool and billiard sports.
Actually, pwede ako magpustahan sa inyo. I do play billiards a lot.
Okay.
No? Yung bahay ko, I grew up in a household with a billiard table. No? Even my house right now, in Cavite, both of them are, having a pool table.
Masyal kami.
Pwede, may isang whiskey ng mahal. So, I really love billiards. Even my brother, older brother, plays penning game dyan sa Lasal mga araw, no?
Opo.
Pababa ako ng recto, sikat to, may Marlo's Billiards eh. So I do play there, even dito sa may UM. UM yung araw yan eh, sa may RT. So I do play a lot of pool. Sikat na sikat yung 9-ball ng araw eh. Pagka may 9-ball ka, makiting ka eh. Pagka sa billiard, makiting ka eh. Di ba? So I think the huge difference from billiards before and now, before it is, pagka may billiard, nakadikit yung biases eh. Pero recently, I think people are now more mature. Diba naman, pag nagbibilyan, laging may sigarilyo sa kabin. Ngayon, hindi na ganun eh. Yun nga lang, medyo...
sila yung show, 86 sila, parang
Diba? Ibang-iba na eh, no? And I hope it continues to develop that way compared to what's before. And it enriches our culture as Filipinos. Because ano tayo eh, we have a lot of night owls. Sa atin pang gabi. So I think we have to develop. We don't have to be meddling into the personal lives of these athletes. Malaya naman silang magalaw. Malaya po, malaya. So I firmly believe that with our new federation, we could offer a lot of good advantages and benefits for our athletes. This will create a lot of opportunities. Sabi ko nga, di ba, pumunta tayo Lincoln, bagong mesa, yung stock room, inayos natin. Ngayon, binila na natin ng mga kama para pagpagod, late night, hirap-hirap ng umuwi, pwede matulog. At si Francis, katulad ni Richard, dati isa lang nag-assist, ngayon kailangan nila dalawa. Dagdag natin paano pwede ibigay. Habang hindi pa kaya ng gobyerno bigay yung allocation, nandito yung federation to help them. No? And we have a very, very good news talking about table. I already met with the...
Ano nga sir, anong game?
Hayball.
Hey, no, that's it.
Hey.
As in the H.
H-Y.
Echo Yankee.
Okay.
So I already met with the owner of the biggest brand, Enjoy. And if you could look closely with Google, Hayball is a fast-growing sport. And we're even talking with IOC, consider it in Brisbane. So malaking sport to. It's not an ordinary sport. And a lot of pool players are now diverting to or transferring to Hayball. Diba? Nabanggit mo nga si Johan is already playing Hayball. And I think biggest opportunity right now for pool is Hayball. Usapan namin yung owner ng brand. Ilan pa kayo mong bilay? We'll purchase 4, 5, 6 tables and bigyan mo kami ng free. Bigyan mo isa, dalawang free. Diba? And sabi ko kay Coach Toto, I want to put up a lot of Hayball venues in the Philippines to at least promote grassroots, ipakilala yung sports, and as well as to give Filipinos a little background and opportunity about Hayball. Maganda ng Hayball. You will see Hayball ibang klase. More than esports, yung opportunity there.
Since ating isang national standard bearer for snooker. Just give us, kasi baka yung mga nakikinig po sa atin, saka hindi pa alam yung background mo and your accomplishments. It's snooker. Pwede pakialam lang, detail some of them.
Yes po. Last SEA Games, nag-silver medal ako sa team, 6 friends. Pero bago pa yun, nag-tournament ako sa tayo ng table. Nag-finish ako ng 3rd place. So, bronze medal. And bago pa yun, nag-top 32, top 64. Na rin ako sa table. And meron akong malawak na experience sa laro na yan. And gaya sabi ni Atty. Marton, malaki ang opportunity na dinadala ng table. Gusto ko talaga yun dahil siya yung pinakamalaking prize money sa lahat ng Q-Sport ngayon. So, yeah, sa tingin ko kailangan natin ngayon kaya sabi ko, pagtunan natin.
Pero since yun na ang foundation mo, snooker, and you most probably one of the, given that you will be one of the representatives in the Asian Indoor Martial Arts Games. Ano bilin mo kasi darating na yun, mga ilang months na lang yun sa Saudi Arabia. Anong masasabi mo sa chances mo among the snooker? Alam ko, pinakahuling alam mong magaling dyan, si Marlon Manalo eh.
Yes,
So, ano siya. So, ikaw, how do you rate your chances sa IMAG in your sport?
My chances. Sa tingin ko, confident ako na nanalo ko ngayong darating na IMAG dahil siyempre nanalo ko yung last time. Nag-training ko araw-araw. And meron din akong bagong training program na ginagawa sa sarili ko which is more on mental training. Kasi sa tingin ko yung susi para manalo ka sa laro na ito. Hindi lang sa katawan, more on siya sa isip. So yes, confident ako na nanalo doon. Yeah,
Ilan taon ka na? Ilan taon ka na?
Yes, 29 years old pa lang po ako. And nalilin lang po ako, konti lang pa kayo. Nakawit lang.
Opo. So, ilan taon ka na?
29 years old.
29 sa probinsya o
Di ba kayo po Manila? Yes po. Sumira ako ng bulang ng konti, tapos balik ulit ako.
Maraming salamat.
Sige po.
Questions?
Taga Middle East, kaya nakachance sa
Oh,
Saudi.
how big is the pool? Yung ating pong national pool, players, ilan po sila? Yes, coach. 12 ba yun?
Labing